has risen as Persian Empire, an ancient city with advanced urban system, taking Persepolis as and all was done without electricity. And think about that, cooling system 1000 years ago, taking Azadi Tower in Tehran as a... When you hear the word Iran now, what will come to your mind? War, protest, or nuclear tension? Hi everyone, I'm architect Yii-See, an architect and qualified person in Singapore with more than 15 years of experience. Welcome back to my channel. This channel aims to share with you architecture insight and bring you to see the world through an architect's eye. While the news focus on Iran now, I would like to bring a deeper awareness of all of you to see how unique the nation is. Iran is the home to one of the most sophisticated urban civilizations in human history, a nation that built underground cities before modern infrastructure. To understand Iran better, it must start by understanding the history first. So Iran is the home to one of the world's oldest continuous major civilizations, 2,500 years ago, evolving from the ancient Persian Empire and enduring centuries of foreign cultural shift, including now emerging as a modern Islamic republic today. Long before modern Europe, Iran has risen as Persian Empire, an ancient city with advanced urban system. Taking Persepolis as an example, built around 518 BCE, not just a palace but a political urban statement. Terrace platform, monumental gateway, ordered planning. Persepolis is an urban civilization designed around governance, ceremony, and climate. Okay, that climate part is utmost important because Iran is mostly desert, and yes, they built livable cities around the desert. Now let's talk about something incredible, wind catchers. In the city of Yazid, you will see tall vertical towers rising above the mud brick houses. These are called bangirs, an ancient air conditioning system. They capture the wind, push it downward, cool the air through water evaporation, and all was done without electricity. And think about that. Today we talk about sustainability, and Iran was already doing a passive cooling system 1000 years ago. Even more fascinating, the underground Qanat water system, transporting mountain water across desert cities without pumps. So urban resilience wasn't a trend, it was a survival skill in the past Iran. Then come Islamic Persia. Cities become inward-looking, narrow alleys, corded houses, shaded bazaars, and wide narrow streets because shade reduce heat. Urban density becomes climate strategy. Look at Naskashe Jahan Square in Isfahan. It isn't just a plaza, it is a perfectly proportioned urban room framed by mosque, palace, bazaar. Religion, governance, commerce, all are ordered in a rectangular. Urban planning was philosophical. Architecture wasn't about ego, it was about ordering. And then it comes 20th century, the oil wealth and Western influence, and then 1979 revolution. Urban development slowed down. But something interesting happened. Instead of global star architects buildings, Iran doubled down on identity. Taking Azadi Tower in Tehran as an example, it blends pre-Islamic arch geometry with modern concrete structure. It is not glass skyscraper copy-paste kind of architecture. It is symbolism, modernism. Even today, despite economic pressure, Tehran continues expanding vertically with mixed-use towers, highways cutting through mountains, landscape, metro system carrying millions daily. Iran urban growth didn't stop there, it adapted. Now here's where it gets emotional. When the country faces war threats and sections, urban planning becomes political. Infrastructure maintenance becomes difficult, construction material become expensive, but city doesn't freeze. People still get married, children still go to school. Urbanism in Iran today is about resilience. You may not see mega futuristic skylines, but you see something more powerful: endurance. Iran have shown us that civilization was not defined by headline, by what they built, they preserve, and they adapt. Architecture is in a memory of physical form as we see in Iran. We don't read the news, we dive in to understand the architectural progress of Iran. If this have changed the way how you see Iran, please help to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Last but not least, do not take peace for granted.